we will collect assignment English little future. So let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilham Akbar with NIM 44250524 from kampus UPSI Fatmawati. And this is my friend.
Hi guys, introduce myself. My name is Rashid Novan Siswanto with name 44250681.
So enjoy the video.
We're going to graduate very soon.
Yeah, time really flies. I'm happy, but to be honest, I feel a little anxious too.
Okay. Some here lately, I've been thinking a lot about my best after graduation. So, what are you going to do once you graduate?
After I graduate, I plan to find a job first. I want to gain some work experience.
Okay, that's good choice. Where do you want to work?
I think I start in Jakarta. After I get more experience, I want to look for better opportunities.
Okay, nice. As for me, after graduation, I want to continue my studies.
Woo, that's great.
Thank
Why do you
you.
want to continue studying?
I believe having higher education will give me more opportunities in the future.
That's true. After you finish your studies, what you plan to do?
I want to work in my field and slowly build my career.
Sounds good for me. After I start working, I was to save some money. When I have enough experience and capital, I hope start my own business.
Okay, wow, that's amazing, man. What kind of business do you want to start?
I'm interested in starting food and beverage, maybe in barista or chef.
Okay, good. That sounds interesting. I hope, I hope that when we achieve our goals, we can still support each other.
Of course, even when we graduate and begin more chapters in our lives, we should remember this moment.
Okay, yeah. I hope everything goes well for both you of yours after graduation.
Amin, amin.
Amin.
Good luck with your future plans, Rashid.
Good luck to you too, Mr. Ilham.